Hi, this is Jeff with Lock Connection. This is our SDWS-BK001A lock. It's completely invisible. And you will see this plunger operated here. 5 seconds later after you open it, it goes back to the closed position. This one actually uses a different striker, so this actually makes it the BK101A. Our typical striker that comes with the lock would look like this, but you can upgrade to the pusher one. It's a very weak pusher. We have different hinges on here that actually push open, so you can see it won't shut. It actually pushes it open.